we are your as-is home buyer, we mean that we will purchase your home in the exact condition that it is in today. We mean that if your home is dated or distressed, you're downsizing, have suffered from a death in the family, going through a divorce, or facing foreclosure, we are here for you to help you transition and focus on your future. When we say that we are your as-is home buyer, we mean that we do not have any inspection contingencies after we've made our offer. We mean that we pay for all of the title company's charged closing costs. When we say that we are your as-is home buyer, we mean that we work on a timeline that works for you and your family. When we say that we are your as-is home buyer, we mean that if you are in a situation where you want to sell your house and not have to do any repairs or worry about any inspection contingencies, we are a great solution for you. My name is Elizabeth Griever with EverSan Cooper. We are local Houston area real estate investors, and we are your as-is home buyers.